order bruschetta, their own rendition, and also risotto. They have options, guys. We're talking about.
Dad got into the okay, and got into the roof of my mouth, but like in the back, where the soft pad is, and now it's like creeping in my nose. Okay, now wait. And it's not good either. Like I said, it doesn't have good flavor. I hate that. The sauce on the chicken sandwich has a good flavor in it. Why is this sandwich so? In my life, and now I've gained almost 25 pounds. No, sorry, 35 pounds. This year, almost 35 pounds. I want to get bigger because I'm going to trim down. In January, I'm gonna start eating not this, not Popeyes. But no, I'm gonna probably start to be eating alone at home most of the time, so that I can really control what I'm eating and what I'm intaking. But it's gonna be a huge calorie drop. Chicken McCann and see if it's good. Maybe I should have put it in a different bowl. I can't wait. Sorry to this man. I hope you guys can hear me because you're pretty far away, and it's definitely gonna be an echo. Everybody left the video. The lighting isn't good. They left the video. All right. Now these are really. Oh, this is really good. It looks really. Don't play with that. Don't play with it. It looks really thin though. All right. I'm just gonna get down and dirty and get in here. Try to mix it up. I'll use this to give me a piece. Eating heavy foods and what happens after you eat them. That sounds my goodness. Anyways, all right. I went to Kroger to go get me a drink. Okay, to get me a drink. I'm just kidding. It's a Bible like that. But I got a dessert because I knew I was gonna want some tea after this. Just 2025, y'all. Things have changed. I know I was gonna want some tea after this. And have you guys ever? Okay, I used to do this, but because I never really grocery shop a lot. But when I would go to the grocery store.
Everyone's welcome for lunch. Look at the size of that piece of meat. We're cutting this down.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like we're going into crop water. There's a lot of water in this boat. The time has come to put the finishing touches on the roof. Yes! Yeah. Hey, we're done. This one here could be 20 years old. It's going to get used to making flour. For the next few days, we are in the remote Solomon Islands, learning about the culture and the way of life here. But first, these are big fish. Good luck, Benny. Good luck, bro. We're strapped in now, mate. It's like trying to move a rock. Oh, I know. Jeez, this is a good sized fish. Come out with Stu and Greg this morning. They said they wanted to try and put us on a tuna for sunrise, so we'd come out in the dark. Trolled around for about half an hour. We just saw all these birds and bait working in front, and at the exact same second, the exact same moment, Benny and I's reels have just gone off, so I assume we went through a school or something. Not sure what it is, we haven't seen anything, but slowly starting to make headway now and get the fish closer. Oh my God! Yes! Yes! Oh wow! Captain.
85-kilo yellowfin bulleted out about 10 metres away from the front of his boat. He slowed his boat down and it landed in the front of his longboat. It like just broke the settings and smash it around and almost killed them. It's amazing how many good fish are here. You're welcome to have as much as you want to.
Guys, I'm so excited. I'm using my table for the first time. Guys, I put this table together. I think this is gonna be the video it's in. But yeah, I put the chairs, the table. I mean, it took a quick minute. It took a good minute. But I feel like, I don't know, I probably could have done it a little bit faster. But yeah, I just picked up some food. It is raining cats and dogs outside, so I'm just gonna take it out to show what I got. Oh my god, I probably should cover this. Like, I need to, yeah, I think I should cover this table. Look at it, I'm getting all wet and everything. What should I put on it? I don't have a tablecloth. Oh my goodness. Maybe some paper towel? I don't know. Alright. I'm just gonna put this down for now. I need, oh, that's what I need, table mats. Yep. Alright, so I've got that chicken place. It's like a Latin rotisserie. They got like rotisserie chicken, rice. These look kind of, I don't know, what is this, like a yellow mustard sauce to go with it? But I've been wanting to try like yuca fries. I think it's basically like cassava fried, like cut into strips and fried like, you know, regular potato fries. I've been wanting to try that for a while, so I was like, let me try it. Anyways, I'm gonna wait till I turn the camera on. And then this is some veggie rice. It's supposed to be vegetable rice. I like fried rice, but I think they put like eggs and vegetable in there. And then I got half a chicken. So all of this was 20 bucks. It's $20. And I got, yeah, so this looks good. I'm gonna taste everything. And then I have like some juice. I think I'm gonna just use a spoon. I'm not gonna put it in anything else. I'll use a knife for that. I don't know. I think I'll need a fork too. I'm not gonna serve it in another plate or anything. I think I'm just gonna eat it out of this. Hi wonderful, welcome to a new video. So I am just it's, what time is it? 7:47 p.m. and I'm just here. I'm about to put my hair up because it's a little bit messy and I can cover the edges with the headband. So I am trying to go to the store to get my shopping done, grocery shopping. I want to go to Bath and Body Works. I don't know what time they close, but if I catch them, good. If not, it's cool. Because I really am trying to get home or get back so I can take my baby off my mom's hands. I just feel a little bit tired. I feel like, I don't know, I took like a hot shower and I came out feeling so sleepy. I think it's something about heat that makes you feel drowsy. I don't know, why is that? I have no idea, but yeah, I'm trying to go to Publix, just a quick grocery shopping, and Target. Actually, Target is where I wanted to do grocery shopping, and then Bath and Body Works. I might not, oh, I do have to make a return to Publix. So I'm gonna probably do that quickly, but I really don't have to grocery shop there because I can get whatever groceries I need at Target. So I think I might just do that, only because I also wanted to find a black denim, black jeans pants. So that's why I want to go to Target, and I could just get everything there, my groceries there, as well as the clothes. So I'm trying to do this quickly. It's not going to take me long, and just do my edges. This is how I wore my hair to work today. So I came home and showered. I feel like is one out? Shoot. Yeah, I came home and showered, and then I'm going back out. And I want to do this today because my mom is going to Jamaica, and while she has a baby, I would rather go to the store and I'd rather do things on my own because it's so much more quicker, easier, more convenient as opposed to having the baby. So I'm just gonna put this towards the back. I hope you can see. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of far, but I think it's fine. I can always zoom in on the clip. Get a little water. And this is the edge fixer. I really like this. I've tried a couple of them and I feel like this one, even without me tying my edges down, they stay, and I like that. So it's very, very good. I'm just gonna So yeah, I want to get this over with, and not only because I want to take my baby off my mom's hands, but just because like I'm kind of tired, you know? I'm kind of tired, and I would rather just go relax and rest. I woke up, I really get up at like 5 o'clock in the mornings just to get to work on time, because I do work, it takes me about an hour, so I have to get to work at 8, ideally like 15 minutes before. So I usually get up at like 5:30, and I've been working like, I don't know, like almost 3 days in a row. 1 day on, 1 day off, then 2 days on working. So I kind of pull the back down so and tuck it in. Just, oops, it's like that. Because it's kind of a wide headband, but yeah, this is good enough for me. Y'all, tell me why I almost was like, nah, I'm gonna go home. I'm not going to the store, but I think I'm just gonna get it over with because it's just so much more easier. I was thinking, okay, I'll just order from I'll do Target delivery, but I'm just gonna go, guys. I'm just gonna go and get it over with because I really am not buying a lot of stuff. Anyways, I gotta get gas. Shoot. And then I'm thinking, because I'm not gonna come back to really, whenever I leave, I get home from work, I shower, I go to my mom's place. So now that I'm wondering, like, am I gonna come back home to my place from the store with all of those groceries? I think not. So I might not even be going to get the groceries. I'll probably just get the clothes, make a return at Publix, and Bath and Body Works actually closes at 8 o'clock. It's 8:08 p.m. So I think I'm just gonna order the groceries online, Target.com, on the Target app, and have them delivered to my door early tomorrow. And then I will just see if I can, y'all, I don't know, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going home. I'm just gonna forget everything. I'm tired. I don't know. We'll see when I get closer to the store. If I'm like, oh, let me just pop in to see what kind of jeans they have. Because I did get some money for my birthday, so I was just gonna use that to buy some black jeans. I don't have black jeans, period, and I want some, you know. I have black pants, but I've been wanting like black jeans and black shorts for a while, so I am going to just hop in the store. It probably won't take me long. Trying a couple options and just, y'all, I don't know. Goodbye. Goodbye. Publix and getting everything, and I wanted to go to Target, but I just realized Target is in the opposite direction of where I'm going, and I would have to turn around and go back that way. So I'm just gonna stop at Walmart because Walmart is on the way to my mom's place. So I'm just gonna grab what I need from Walmart. I think it's just like a nail polish remover, this e.l.f. facial moisturizer that I wanted to try out. I don't know if they're gonna have it, and toothpaste and mouthwash. So that's pretty much all I need. So it shouldn't take me long at all. Oh, but I really wanted to get some jeans from Target. It's not gonna happen tonight. Not gonna happen. I got everything else from Publix and stuff like the butter, the waffles. I'm just gonna put it in my mom's fridge because it's really not that much stuff anyway. And I am what was I just gonna say? I forgot what I was just gonna say. Bruh. I might just order some jeans online, and I wanted to try them on in store because I really don't know. I'm not sure what size I should be getting, but I'm just gonna order them online, and then whichever one does not fit, I can just return it, you know, or exchange it for something else. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, so surprisingly, very, very pleasantly surprised, I got the Starbucks K-Cups on sale in Publix, and I was like, wow, this was a very nice surprise because it was a 10 count ones, and I really wanted the 10 count ones because, y'all, if you know, they have K-Cups that they're selling that has like 30, 40, 20, and I'm like, what the hell? I really don't want stuff with just a whole lot of shit in it. Like, that's just gonna take me forever to finish, and I don't want that because I like to try different things, and I don't necessarily like get up every day and make coffee at home. So I really wanted the 10 count because I know I can go through that like this, you know. It's not gonna take me forever to finish it out. So I got them, and I got them on sale, which is pretty nice because maybe if I had went somewhere else, I wouldn't get it on sale. I don't know. Target always has sales anyway. But yeah, I am so thankful and happy for that. And also I tried to find like the 10 count on Amazon. No, actually Amazon did have some of the 10 count ones. And you know what I'm thinking now? I think the Amazon price was actually like $1 cheaper. But they didn't have like, I don't think Amazon had the 10 count ones in many of the flavors. You know what I mean? So it's cool. It's whatever. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to Walmart now, guys. So we'll see. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy though. BRB.